A female asked me, I know you be bored in the truck. I'm like, bruh, nah, not me. I actually got everything I need. Look, my PS5, boom, good internet. Look at this junk. Get this T-Mobile box, bro. Good service. Anywhere I go, boom, my TV, 40-inch. I be chilling. I can watch my games, antenna, so I can watch all live games. I can't wait till football season starts. I don't mind this truck thing right here. Air fryer, my Xbox. I got my laptop too. I'm really enjoying myself. I can enjoy myself. I like being solo anyway. I like being by myself. Yeah, but I'm gonna put some lights though, because females like the lights. So I'm gonna have, in case I have some company coming here. Chill. I like this. Kick my feet, bed comfortable. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. It's not that bad. Not that bad.